Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create and add a watermark to a photo in Canva using the updated 2025 method. Open Canva and upload your image or choose one from your library. Click on the text option on the left side. Select the first default text style. Type your watermark text. For example, I'll write easy. Click on the text color option at the top and select white. Resize the text if needed. Click on the transparency button and set it to around 40 or 50%. To add more watermarks, click the text, duplicate it, and move it to another spot. To use a logo or image as a watermark, click on the Uploads tab. Click Upload Files and select your watermark image. Once it uploads, click on the image to add it to your photo. Resize and place it where you want. That's how to add a watermark to a photo in Canva. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.